Simply connect to this website, grab some affiliate offers, and follow these instructions. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way, and here you can get paid $400 daily with this new app. What's awesome about this method is that it doesn't require any fancy equipment, skill, or experience. And you can even start making money with this right now, right after finishing this video. These websites aren't geo-restricted either, so you can do this method anywhere in the world. But guys, the following video will be a really in-depth tutorial, so make sure to pay close attention and do not skip any parts to make sure to maximize your profits. And guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon, because that way you are not only helping me, but you're making sure that you won't miss out on any new method that can potentially make you thousands of dollars every single month. And now let's jump into the first step.
Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple.
And for the first step, I want you guys to connect to SpyFu, and this is over at SpyFu.com. And SpyFu is a perfect website for tracking some keywords. Different companies can use this SpyFu in order to find special keywords and put an ad to them, so they can do some research, and this website will help them get their products or services on the front page of Google searches. So here you can see that this website is a very popular one. It has a nice reviews on Trustpilot, and as you can see, it is 4.6 out of 5. So that's pretty good rating for such a website. There are some great reviews here. So if you were doubtful about legitimacy of this website, now you don't need those doubts, because as you can see, it is pretty nicely rated and you are sure you're on the right place. And now I must tell you, what does SpyFu actually do? So SpyFu exposes the search marketing secret formula of your most successful competitors. So you can search for any domain and see every place they've shown up on Google, every keyword they've bought on Google Ads, every organic rank, and every ad variation in the last 15 years. And here you can learn how to connect with these domains too. You can find online and traditional leads methods, social media, email, phone, and address you can't find anywhere else. So you can just type in some website, and it will show you which keywords they used, which keywords they bought, and what are they using to get their products or services advertised. And you can learn on that, and you can buy same one or you can buy better ones. So this website is perfect for someone who has their business and needs some way to market it. As you can see, you can increase your website traffic, you can track your keyword rankings, and you can make better connection. It's a great tool for businesses, and here you can read more about it, about special features that they've got. They are pretty nice and thorough in these features and these explanations, so you can come on to this website and do some research if you want. And they also offer step-by-step guides, and this is all useful for someone who has a certain product which he wants to advertise, and those are the people we're gonna target. Why? Because we're gonna be affiliates. I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on this affiliates tab, because that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna affiliate for SpyFu and we're gonna get paid. And on their affiliate program page, you can see that it's a very generous recurring commissions with 40% payout for life. And that means that whenever someone joins you through your link and buys their services, you're gonna earn 40% out of that for life. So you can only set this up once and it's gonna stay there forever as your passive income. And we all know passive income is the best one there is, so you need to come here and give this one a try. They briefly summarize the process here, and all you have to do is simply sign up, and it's completely free, just so you know. You can use simple links. Basically, they're gonna help you with that to shorten those, and then you can earn money. And as they clearly say here, this is the best affiliate deal in the industry, and it surely is, because it is 40% in monthly recurring commissions. That's some nice amount of money, guys. And look at this, 365-day tracking cookie. And this basically means that if you send a link to someone and he clicks on it, but actually doesn't come onto SpyFu and doesn't buy their products right away, it will stay tracked for 1 year. And if they do buy it for 1 year period, you're gonna get money. So you will be counted as an affiliate for that person. And that's a very, very nice feature. They can pay you via PayPal, and that's what we're looking for, straight cash. And as you can see, it is true passive income. You can get recurring commissions for the life of the account. And look at this. With less than a 4% churn rate, SpyFu customers rarely leave. Your recurring commissions hold real value. So this means, guys, that people who actually try SpyFu, they get in love with it, and they keep buying the monthly or the annual plan for their businesses. So that's really great. If you only get like 10 of these affiliates in the meantime, you're gonna be set up for life. That's 40% out of every one of those, and that's some nice passive income which sticks with you. So all in all, a great website for affiliate marketing. And right now I'm gonna show you how you can get started up with this. So basically all you have to do is click on sign up here. And as you can see here, you can see how much is this actually worth. So if people buy this professional plan, which is the most popular one, they're gonna pay $50 per month. And 40% out of $50 is somewhere around $22. So you can get $22 per month on each person you refer. And for example, let's just say you only get 10 of these, and that's like super simple to do. That's $220 per month, and it stays with you for life. I don't know about you guys, but getting $200 every month into my PayPal account for doing nothing is a really sweet deal. So I want you now to go here, make yourself an account for free, and I'm going to show you a strategy which you can use to make those affiliates. So for the second step of the method, I want you guys to go to Google and do a quick search on weight loss. Weight loss is a really hot keyword nowadays. Everybody is looking to lose some weight and to get that body, that get shape, that great physique. So people invest some real money into advertising their products for weight loss. As you can see, we've got 2 ads over here, and I want you to go and search for these ads, but not on the first page, but on the second or the third one, because those aren't getting real keywords and they aren't getting real traffic, and we're gonna help them. You're gonna click on those, you're gonna find info about these companies, and you're gonna suggest them that they try SpyFu. You're gonna tell them all about the features that SpyFu has, and you're gonna tell them how SpyFu can help them get better, how they can get those ads further up the Google search. And that way, they're gonna generate money. You can tell them that they're losing money by being on the 3rd or the 4th page of Google search, and that's exactly what they are doing. They're losing money that way, and SpyFu can help them. You're just gonna find these, you're gonna contact them, and you can tell them just to try SpyFu and search for their competitors, for example, and they can see what they are using, so they can see what they have been missing out on. And that way you're gonna get some pretty nice customers, and they will stay for you for life. That's some nice passive income, and this is a great strategy because your customers are businesses who have money, who have those $50 per month, and it's a no-brainer for them. They only don't know about SpyFu, and now you're gonna show it to them. And for the last step, I want you guys to go to infinitesuggest.com. And this is a website where you can find never-ending Google keyword suggestions. And you can type in weight loss and they will show you everything similar to that and every possible keyword related to weight loss. You can do this for other keywords as well. You can choose any niche, any category that you like or you think it's profitable, and these guys will provide you with these keywords. Now you can go and search for every one of these, and you can even use this website in order to attract your customers to your affiliate link so that they decide to buy that SpyFu subscription. And this website is gonna be of great help in that endeavor because, as you can see, they've got every possible keyword out there. For this example, they've got 353 results, so that is a pretty nice amount. So guys, what are you waiting for? Go out there, follow these instructions, and get yourself some passive income, because that income is the best one there is. It's gonna stay with you for life, and it's 40% off everything they earn. That's nice deal. That's really nice. Great commission, I would say. And all you have to do is make some clicks, contact few people, and you will be rich. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.